Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin on your Xbox console or the Xbox app on PC or mobile. Sign in with the gamer tag you use to send or receive messages. Once signed in, open the Social or Messages area. This displays recent conversations. Use the controller thumbstick or tap to highlight the conversation you want to clean up. Make sure you can access the conversation details. You'll need that screen to delete individual messages or the whole thread. Start with the specific thread you want removed. Inside the conversation, locate the message you want to remove. Press the menu or More Options icon to reveal actions. On console, press the controller's menu button. On mobile, tap and hold a message. Once the options appear, choose Delete to remove that single message. Confirm when prompted. If you want to remove everything from that person, select Clear Conversation or Delete Thread instead. Once done, those items are removed from your view. Note: recipients may still retain copies. After you delete a message or thread, confirm the action so the system processes it. Then return to your conversation list and verify the message is gone. Sometimes the list needs a refresh. If you still see the content, sign out and sign back in, or force close and reopen the app. Make sure your Xbox or app is up to date. Outdated software can block deletions. If that fails, contact Xbox support. They can advise whether the message persists server-side or requires account-level action.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.